Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Sohail Khan, Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. And today in this video, which is lecture number 19, I'm going to show you the best way to block the telnet using standard access list. Because in the previous video, I have shown you how to block the whole network and how to block the single host. So this is not a good idea because in that scenario we have to block all the three ports. So no need of blocking all the ports. Just allow only one host to telnet to your computer, to telnet to your router. So the best way to block telnet is using standard access list, is that allowing only one host to telnet R2 router ठीक है in a whole network using standard access list. So don't forget to watch the video till the end, because in this video every information will be very helpful for you. Okay, and if you are a new subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. All right, and plus if you are a new subscriber and you don't know how to watch the previous part, then here's how to go to my channel. Just go to YouTube. My channel name is CCNA Expert, because if you want to be an expert, learn from expert. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. And in the playlist, you will get all the videos which is related to CCNA, CCNP, Python programming. And this is the new series which I'm creating for you guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my contact detail. Alright, now let's start the video without wasting any time. So in this practical, I am allowing only one host, which is 20001, to telnet R2 router. Except 20001, no other host in the whole network can able to telnet R2 router. They are able to ping R2 router, but they are not able to telnet R2 router except the host which I am allowing. All right, so see here how to do this. See, currently all the hosts are able to see. Let me show you one example also. If I telnet from 10001, telnet 200010, yes, the telnet is working. In the same way, please check all the computers are able to telnet currently right now before applying the command. So now let's do this allowing only one host. So just go to R2 router. Alright, just go to R2 router and go to global configuration mode, and here you are allowing only one host. Till now you have learned denying the host, denying the host, denying the host. Right now you are learning permitting the host. So what I will create, I will do access list 50, means hey router, create an extended access list in which please permit please permit host 20001. That's it. Okay, and no need of giving that deny statement, because you are permitting a host. And where to apply? Now where to apply? See, in this scenario I'm not going to apply on serial interface or fast interface. In this scenario I'm going to apply in VTY port, line VTY 0 space 4, access class 50 for all incoming packets. So this is how you are allowing only one host to telnet R2 router, and this is how you are applying the command in directly to the VTY port, which is the telnet port, and not applying in serial and fast ethernet port. Now let's check the output and let's check whether it is created or not. Show access list. Yeah, the standard access list is created. So now let's check. Earlier the telnet is working with this computer, right? So now let's check now. Telnet 200010 connection timeout. Let's check from 30 network. Telnet 200010 immediately timeout. But if I try to telnet from this computer, Alright, Telnet 200010. See, the Telnet is working with 20001. But if I try with this host, then this host is not able to Telnet. See here, because I have allowed only one host. Okay, Telnet 200010. See, but if I try to ping, the ping is working. The ping is working. See, the ping is working, but the telnet is not working. So, this is how you can allow only one host in the whole network to able to telnet your router. Remaining all the hosts can able to ping, but they are not able to telnet the router. Now, how to remove this? It is very simple. Just go and write it down. No access list 50. That's it. Access list will remove. Alright, now every host can able to telnet. Now every host can able to telnet. See, okay. So in this video you have learned how to allow only one host to telnet your router. Remaining all the hosts are able to ping, but they are not able to telnet. In this video we are not applying the command into the serial port or fast ethernet port. We directly apply the command into the vty port, which is the telnet port. Okay, and for online training you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my email id, and it will be a live online training on Skype. Demo lectures are also free. I give 100% expertization guarantee to make you guys expert CCNA, CCNP and Python programming worldwide. And if you like the video, please comment in a comment section. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification, and please share with your friends. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for your love and support. Thank